大家好 ，Hello everybody，我是 Dr. Low，I am Dr. Low。现在 now，老师 will guide you on the techniques on answering the questions for 主词成句。It means you gather the words and to form a sentence. Okay, rearranging words or Susun Ayat in Malay. All right, so now we are doing set 4. So, all right, students, other sets, please watch the teaching videos. Okay, 好 Now, may 老师 get the first student?
A18.
A18.
有空的时候，李玲喜欢在宿舍听歌。
听歌。Alright.
有空的时候pada masa lapang, Liling suka在宿舍 di asrama 听歌 mendengar lagu.
Okay,
So,
好的。
Okay, so 有空的时候 pada waktu lapang tu dia masa yang besar, so kita letak dekat depan. Lepas tu kita cari person, so Liling ialah person dia. So kita cari dia punya place dia ialah cai shusha di asrama. Dan kita cari, lepas tu kita cari dia punya aktiviti ialah tinker, mendengar lagu.
Finally, the 喜欢 you need to decide where to put the 喜欢, right?
Okay.
So the 喜欢 will be after the people.
Okay.
Okay, 老师 would like to add something. Okay, 好。When you say the 有空的时候 you say because dia masa yang besar. No. Here you don't compare which one besar or kecil. Okay, this is different from just now. When you want to say 明天 and then 早上 and then 10点. Yes, that makes a difference. Okay, the bigger unit to smaller unit. But here it's not. 有空的时候 it is just that the phrase is like that. If you want to say the pada waktu lapang. But here, why 老师 just put 有空的时候 first and then 莅临 later? As 老师 told you, actually people and timing you can exchange, right? Okay, but remember, if the time phrase, there are a few words, okay, then you are encouraged to say them first. Clear the timing first, then only people. You will make less mistakes. Okay, but if you really want to say 莅临有空的时候喜欢 that is no wrong. Okay, but encourage to clear the time phrase with more words first. 老师 hope you understand this. Okay, 好的。Okay, good. Okay, 来 next student, number 2.
A1.
Alright. 好。
我星期天要去朋友的家，上网玩游戏。
Okay.
我星期天saya pada hari Sabtu.
星期天 is hari Ahad.
Hari Ahad ingin pergi朋友的家, kawan punya rumah. 上网
melayari internet.
Melayari internet, 玩游戏, tengok,
bermain game.
bermain game.
Okay, 好，来法医生班长 Okay, 好，老师help you improve your pronunciation. When you say the 游戏 need to be confident. The C is a fork tone. You cannot make the sound floating. Okay, so you see 玩游戏 Okay, 好的。
玩游戏
Yes, C make it confirm, confident. Okay, and then when you explain the 要 this is not ingin. Ingin in Mandarin, there is another word, 想, which you learn in level 2. Okay, so here 要 you have to say 马虎. Okay, 好的. All right, explanation is counted okay. How now, how to find which one first, which one second?
Okay, so first we must cari the orang, the main character, and then the timing also. So kat sini the main character is Wo, and then the timing is Xing Si Tian, the hari, and then Chu Peng Yo Te Jia is the place. Sebab dia nak pergi ke kawan punya rumah.
Yes, 老师 need to make some changes here. Okay, here the color should be, 老师 said already all the places 老师 put in orange. Okay, and the 上网老师 will change to what color? Student, according to 老师's okay,
Blue.
yeah, in official rules 老师 make the 上网 should be in what color? Blue. Okay, 好的。All right, so 上网 and the 玩游戏 means that actually here involve two verbs or two activities. Okay, 上网 first and then 玩游戏. Okay, 好的. And so actually this 要 actually 老师 should make it black. You know why? Because this is not under people and this is not under timing. So you need to see, okay, these two, and then the place, and then the activity, and then finally left 要. Okay, how? Like you match now, Faiz? You match, 老师 change color.
Okay, so first we must search the main character and the timing. So Wo is the main character, Xin Si Tian is the timing. And then next is the place. The place is Chu Peng Yo Te Jia. Cui Peng Yo Te Jia, which is my friend's punya house. And then lastly the activity. Aktiviti dia ada dua kat sini, Shangwan Wang Yo Si. Melayari internet, bermain game. Sebab melayari internet is the bigger one lah. So dekat depan. And then tinggal Yao saja tertinggal kat situ. So Yao tu is kata penghubung, and so letak di antara the timing and the place.
Okay, 很好. All right. Finally, 老师 add a little bit on the 上网玩游戏. Okay. Mandarin, one of the rule also is about which one you do first, you say first. So between the 上网 and the 玩游戏, if Malay, you will say bermain game secara online, maybe. You will say bermain game first and then secara online or melalui internet. But Mandarin, which one do first? You will have to 上网 dah connected 上网, then only you can 玩游戏. So Mandarin, Faiz, can you give a short description? What is the logical for 上网 and 玩游戏? Why 上网 first?
The logical is we need to be on the internet first to play the game.
I know. So make it a general rule. The general rule is?
General rule is
which one happen first, say first. 明白吗？
明白。
Okay, so 上网 happen first, so say first. 玩游戏 later, so say later. All right. Okay, 很好，很好。All right, 来 next number.
Before.
Okay. Before.
王经理在酒楼的正在看电子报。
电子报。
电子报。
Okay, 好。
Orang Wang Jingli.
Explain first. Pengurus Wang.
Pengurus Wang.
Di
tingkat 8.
Tingkat 9.
Pengurus Wang di
tingkat 9.
Dia
sedang
membaca surat kabar.
Surat kabar. 电子报
surat
bukannya
kabar.
报纸. 报纸 is surat kabar. 电子报 is newspaper. Okay, 好，来 how to start?
Orang Wang Jingli dengan masa saya ciulau. Lepas seterusnya
you have to say 在酒楼di tempat.
Saya ciulau di tempat.
Okay.
Seterusnya kan Tian Cipau ialah aktiviti. Ta cencai tu
Dia sedang.
Kata perbuatan dia sedang.
Yeah. Okay. So students here, because this is so the 正在 is showing the in the progress. Just like in English we say the present continuous macam tu. Okay. So activity to 看电子报, but you now the highlight is this sedang is ongoing doing the reading. So you have to say 正在 and then 看电子报. Okay. 好的 students. So the people and then the place and then the activity is at the end. All right. Okay, how next number?
B5.
Okay, B5.
Yes, 老师。
Okay.
那是我的课本，不是他的课本。
Okay.
Itu ialah buku saya, itu ialah saya punya buku teks, bukan dia punya buku teks.
Okay. 好的. So this one is not the typical 4 elements question. Okay, just to inform about something. All right. So there are many possibility, right? You say I should give you 4 answers, but the first one is the easiest one to get. Okay, how can you say anything? How should we get this answer out?
The first one, kita tengok people, which is 那是我的课本。
No, like that. People is just 我，课本 is already not people.
Okay, so the people 我, so 那是tu menunjukkan nak cakap itu saya punya. Jadi 那是tu kat before 我.
Okay.
And then tekepen tu nak menunjukkan itu barang kita. Tekepen tu punya buku teks. So lepas 我 tekepen, saya punya buku teks.
Okay. Another thing to check is actually you recognize first there is the 是 and the 不是. 是 is ialah, 不是 bukan. When you have a 是 and 不是, you need to have in your mind. First is a yes, the next is a no. All right. So it's either you want to say, this is my textbook or this is not my textbook. Also can. You see the second choice? You can also say, 那不是我的课本，是他的课本。Can also, but easiest one will be you say yes first and then no later. Okay, that is better. So itu ialah mine, not his. Okay, 好的。So student, for this question, you need to know the 我的课本 gather together. With this, already 3 words out, 3 words gathered. And then 他的课本 another 3. Finally, left 3 words. And then you should know, 老师 said 是 first, 不是 later. So you know 不是 where to put already. And finally, just left the 那. Ialah buku teks saya, 是我的课本. And then 不是他的课本. You know this? Left the 那. Where do you want to say? 那, of course, you put it at the beginning. Because 那 itu and then ialah. Or sometimes people say 这是那是 it will be at the beginning. Okay? 好的. Now, question 5. Question 5. Panjang, number.
A to 8. Hello?
Yes, A to
A
8.
to 8.
Uh-huh.
星期六下午，他们要去打算定讲座。Sabtu petang, mereka mahu pergi universiti mendengar ceramah.
很好.
First, kita kena bubur masa dulu. Masa yang besar adalah星期六. Lepas tu masa yang kecil ialah siawu.
Okay.
Lepas tu kita letak orang, iaitu taman. Lepas tu kita tengok tempat, dia nak pergi mana, so dia nak pergi university, Taswe, Chu. Lepas tu kita tengok dia punya aktiviti. So aktiviti dia ting jiang zuo, mendengar ceramah. So nak hubungkan orang dengan tempat, kita bubuh yao.
Okay. The yao is showing like whether this happened or not happened yet. Okay. All right. So this is going to. So yao. Then only qu. Okay. 很好. All right. So 老师 can help you to improve. You should say the ta with more air. The 他们,他们. Okay. Okay. Same thing with the 听讲座. The 听 need to have more air. Okay. 好的. So finally, students, you want to say 星期六下午 first, and then 他们, or 他们星期六下午. Both okay. But which one 老师 encourage? Which one? Why 老师 encourage 星期六下午 first? Student number 28. Do you know why?
Sebab
Why 星期六下午
Sebab-
first? 老师 say, if the time phrase is having more words, it is better to clear first. After the long time phrase all done, finish the time phrase, then you say the people. It is easier. 明白?
明白老师。
Okay, 好，来 the last question for this set. Okay, next student.
B12.
Okay, 来 B12.
Yes, 老师。
Okay.
你们去电影院看华语片了吗？你们awak pergi panggung wayang menonton filem Mandarin sudahkah? First kita cari people dulu, ni men, awak. Lepas tu kita cari tempat Tiang Yin Yuan. So pergi ke tempat tu, Chu Tiang Yin Yuan. So aktiviti kan Huayu Pian menonton filem Mandarin. So ayat yang tinggal lemah, sudahkah?
And the lemma is always at the back. Lemma dah ke? All right. Okay, students. So we are done with the 6 questions for the set 4. Okay.